All right, geometry students, let's look at Unit 4, Lesson 7, Applying Ratios in Right Triangles. So the goal for this is I can use cosine, sine, and tangent to find the height of an object. So when we use the cosine, sine, and tangent ratios, when we know the degree measure of the angle, we can figure out a missing side length. So we're going to be looking at how we can do that to find the height of right triangles. So our review and vocab here is we have cosine. Cosine is the ratio of the adjacent side of an angle to the hypotenuse. So adjacent is B, it's next to the X, and then the hypotenuse is C. Our sine is the ratio of an angle to the opposite side and the hypotenuse. So A is the opposite of X, and C is opposite the right angle. And then tangent is the ratio of the opposite over the adjacent from the angle. So here's our angle, here's opposite, here's adjacent. And then our new word is trigonometric ratio, which is the name that is used to reference the ratios cosine, sine, and tangent. They are all known as trigonometric ratios. A lot of people reference them as the trig ratios because they are a big part of trigonometry. But we learn about them in geometry because of their understanding of triangles. So our warm-up is that I want you to calculate the lengths of AC and BC using your understanding of the ratios, Pythagorean theorem, whatever way you think you can do it. We know that the hypotenuse is 6. We have an angle of 20 degrees here. We have a blank angle. You could probably figure that out. And then using your ratios, try and figure out how long AC would have to be and how long BC would have to be. Check your work, make sure that it makes sense when you're done. All right, bring that work to class tomorrow. That will start our discussion. Thanks.